How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video you join me with my cheap Audi A3 for a POV drive. So this is my first POV drive with this car. I've not done a POV drive in ages. I think it's been like 10 months. So if you haven't already, give the walk around a watch. You'll have seen what's been done with this car. More or less quick overview of it. Literally my private plate and the coding that's been done. But stay tuned, as I've got a lot more videos for this car coming up. It's gonna be a good year for this car. It's gonna be completely transformed once I'm done with it. Nothing over the top, just like the basics. So yeah, I'm gonna go for my POV drive. It is quite wet, it is raining out. The camera quality on my phone is so good, but it doesn't look like it's raining, but it is raining. So it is quite wet. You can see some of the puddles here. So yeah, literally I'm gonna get in and let's film this POV drive. Right guys, so it's been a few hours since I made the intro. It's cleared up now, so we've got better scenic routes, if you can see on the sides. I don't know how well the camera's picking everything up, but the views are awesome. So I'm literally on my way home, so I'll come this way, take a different route this time, get some nice clips for you guys. So yeah, so the thing I want to talk about in this video is my plans for this cheap Audi A3 that I bought. So if you've seen the walk around video or my past few videos, you'll have seen that the car is basically poverty spec. There's nothing on this car apart from the Audi rotors. So obviously I want to make some changes to it, obviously make it my way. So you might be wondering what you're going to do to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some leather seats in. Right now we've got some cloth seats. I'm not a fan of them, so I've been looking for some leather seats. A couple of guys local are breaking some, so I might take it off. You know what, these views are really good. There's a bit to pull up here as well, so I could take some pictures. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So yeah, I might end up just grabbing some off someone local, breaking it. Probably from the S3. So yeah, so that's the main thing. Another thing I want to change in this car is the rear bumper. So this car is an SE model. It's come with an S9 front bumper, but it's come with a stock SE rear bumper. So I want to put some S3 rear bumper on, and then obviously split a kit all the way around from Maxton. And on the front end I want to change the grille that's on right now, and I want to put an RS3/S3 honeycomb grille. I've seen pictures, they look awesome. So, and then obviously ring mirrors, I want to put some dynamic pace indicators where it swipes across. Just little touches which obviously will make it my way, so that I enjoy driving it as well. Like right now, it's basically the guy who I bought off, it's his car. He's done things like this stereo, which I like, it looks good, but I want Apple CarPlay one. Just a bit different. Steering wheel, definitely change that because I don't like how it looks. I don't like the 4 spokes on it. So I want to get one. People have been saying R8 one, but it's too expensive, I'll be honest. It's about 800 to £1,000. That's more than what I paid for the car. Ooh, nice little Bentley there. It's more than what I paid for the car, and I don't really want to be splashing too much on my daily. This is literally only for driving to work and back home, driving to the garage, going to car meets, because I'm starting car reviews next year as well, and car meets. Just going there, going to shoots and stuff. That's all it is for. Other than that, I've got my EG for the projects. Just want to make a bit of content on this car, really. Look at the views, man. Look at the views. Who knew Blackburn was this good looking? Wow. So yeah, and power wise, I don't think I'll be doing anything right now. I think that will be later on in the year. Right now it's 103 bhp, which is very stupid considering the cars are 1.9 TDI. I know cars that are 1.2 litre and they are faster than this. Obviously 103 bhp is stupid. You'd think it'd be about 150 minimum, or average figure on there, but 103 bhp, probably the slowest I've had. Actually, I'm wrong there. The slowest I've had was the Polo, 50 brake horsepower, and then obviously the Ibiza was 85, but I've had that dynoed at 103, so it's same as this. So this will be getting dynoed. I'll get 3-4 runs, whatever, and see if it's gained or lost. I got a feeling it's gained a few, so it'll be about a 110, I reckon, because my EG, I had that dynoed, that's at 86 bhp, and I had that dynoed at 106 bhp, and then obviously my EP2s, I had them dynoed at 120, so they're 108 bhp standard. So it all depends on the car and the dyno, do you get me? Just a rough figure. I don't know if you can see it, but the car's spitting a lot of black smoke out. I hope that's not the turbo. I hope it's just the exhaust clearing rubbish out, rubbish, dirt, soot. I hope it's just clearing it out. If it's turbo, then it's going to be a very expensive job. It's going to start adding up, and the car's no longer going to be the cheap Audi A3, it's going to be the expensive one. So hopefully it's nothing major, and yeah. Right guys, so as soon as this traffic light goes green, I'm going to do a little launch. My first time launching this car. For some reason the car's shaking really badly. Not bad for a first time. Stupidly it's a police station right here. What am I doing? But it's all in the speed limit, it's a 50 zone, and the max I got to there was 30. So it's all legal. Yeah, the cop shop's right there. So another thing I want to talk about with this car is I want to compare it to my EP2 and my EG. So obviously them being Japanese and these being German, the Hondas, I'll be honest, are a lot more reliable. Like even now, this car is shaking, and I'm trying to think what could it be, and like I said, the black smoke. There's too much going on with this car. Like with the so my mate. Still new to this car. See if it gives it. Very nice, that A45 AMG. Very nice. I don't know if you can see or not, but that is very nice. Yeah, my car's shaking really badly. If anyone knows what it is, let me know, because this is not how it should be when it's stationary. That's what I'm on about with my point with the reliability. The Hondas never broke down. I had the one battery issue with the EG, and that's because all my electronics was stayed on all night, so that drained the battery out. Other than that, no issues. With this, black smoke coming out, car shaking, got so many lights on the dashboard. Doesn't stop me from sending it though. That's another thing, I need to stop redlining this car. I keep thinking it's my Hondas. With the Hondas I can just redline them for fun, nothing will happen. Bearing in mind, this is all done on the speed limit. You can even have a look. I'm not going over the speed limit once. See, who says you can't have fun under the speed limit? Right guys, I think that's enough for this video. I'm almost home, so might as well end it off. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, give the video a like, follow my Instagram, it'll be on the screen and in the description. All my social will be in the description, so check them out guys. I am going to do a lot more POV drives, car reviews starting this year, so if you want to get your car on, drop me a message on my Instagram and let's get some sorted. But other than that, subscribe. Let's get to 2,500 subscribers, so we're so close to it. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.